Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page in WordPress. First, ensure you have a solid foundation by choosing a reliable hosting provider and installing WordPress. Next, you'll need a powerful page builder plugin. Popular options include Elementor or Beaver Builder, which offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces. Once you've made your selection, simply install and activate the plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. This sets the stage for creating a highly effective landing page. Now, let's dive into the design. Begin by crafting a compelling headline that immediately grabs attention and clearly states your value proposition. Visuals are key, so incorporate high-quality images or videos that resonate with your audience and enhance your message. Most importantly, write persuasive copy that guides visitors towards your goal, culminating in a clear and strong call to action. Aim for a clean layout that is easy to navigate. To maximize your landing page's effectiveness, optimization is crucial. First, ensure your page is fully responsive, looking great and functioning perfectly on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Next, integrate lead capture forms and connect them with your email marketing tools to nurture new leads. Finally, optimize your page loading speed. A fast page keeps visitors engaged and improves your search engine ranking. These steps are vital for conversion. The final step involves rigorous testing and continuous improvement. Conduct a/B tests on different headlines, images, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience and improves performance. Regularly monitor your analytics to understand user behavior, track conversion rates, and identify areas for further optimization. Remember, a landing page is a living asset that benefits from ongoing refinement. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.